But I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about what's happened in downtown Cleveland, specifically over the last 7 years, and why that matters here. When I moved to Cleveland in 2010, the Medical Mart project was still being argued about quite a bit. There was a quarter-cent sales tax that had been enacted by then county commissioners to fund the building of the building. We're past that now. Where we are today is how we manage the building on a year-to-year basis. That money primarily comes from the county to this authority in the form of a rent payment. And that rent payment is generated by hotel bed tax. So you're going to start to see how the chicken and egg work here. If we bring convention attendees into our community, they're staying in our hotels, they're paying a hotel bed tax, which generates the money for us to run the building. So why do you put a convention center in? Simple answer is money. We're about industry, business to business, bringing people into the community that fill our hotel rooms and spend their money here. How are we doing since we opened? We're actually nearing 700 events now. Since we opened up shop in 2013, last year 237 events, and more than 40% of our business is healthcare. Why healthcare? Because this region is so good. How many people in this room are involved in healthcare? 1 out of 4 people that work in Northeast Ohio work in healthcare. Global Center for Health Innovation, probably the most misunderstood building in Cleveland. Very simply, what does this building do? It's about improving patient outcomes and lowering costs. Some of the biggest brands in the world, you can see their logos up here, companies like Siemens and Cardinal and Cisco, Philips, General Electric, locally big brands like the Clinic, University Hospitals, Steris, Metro Health. You can just see some of the companies that are in the building, all showcasing the future of healthcare. And then finally, my favorite part of our building, we had a 1/4 of an acre left over, so we created a farm. We grow produce for our guests that eat in our facility. We have 26 chickens that produce 2 dozen eggs a day, whether we ask them to or not. That's about a 1/4 of our shelled egg use. We have over 1 million honeybees, but that's a guess because you don't really count honeybees. We have 13 hives. And finally, we have 3 pigs. Come on, you're all kids, you read the story, 3 little pigs, it's a brick house, okay? And then inside the Global Center, we'll have a number of educational programs that teach you about healthy eating, nutrition, just all kinds of wonderful activities. It's free, it's from 10 to 4, and we're excited to be the host for that. If you need any more information, there are 2 websites, but I really appreciate your time today. I'm happy to take any questions.
Great speaker.
Good.
I mean,
If there are no questions, I do encourage you to take a staycation this summer to downtown Cleveland.